Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or help solve the problem of a queue problem app on the application of iQIYI app. You will go to settings. Here we will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about iQIYI and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop, then you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi, then you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.